So, usapang Toyota Safety Sense muna tayo ha. Tara, isa-isay natin ngayon. So, isa tong Corolla Cross B-Say sa mga may Toyota Safety Sense. First one is pre-collision sensor. So, located dyan dito also. So, yan yung makakasense kapag pabangga ka na, ipipreno niya mag-isa yung sasakyan. So, the second one is what? The auto high beam. So yun na nga, given sa pangalan niya, auto high beam, kapag may nakasalubong ka sa street na naka high beam, itong vehicle mo, siya na mismo maglo-lower ng headlight niya para hindi kayo magkasalubungan ng ilaw. So after mag-cross na or lumagpas na yung vehicle in front of you na malakas yung yung ilaw, so ibabalik naman niya yung unit mo going back to high beam. So that's auto high beam. Ang button niya inside the vehicle is this one. This one. Alright, so that's the auto high beam. So the third one is the lane assist. And lane assist is also included here at this camera sensor. So yun yung nagsisense nung lane sa road habang nagda-drive ka. So meron siyang alert and assistance. Just to remind you kung nawawala ka na sa lane. Yan, especially maganda yan kung baka mamaya nakakatulog ka na. So guys, don't forget na mag-signal kapag ka naka-on ang lane departure nyo or lane assist. So in that way kasi ma-identify ng vehicle na gusto mo mag-change ng lane. Right? So another one included in Toyota Safety Sense is this one, the cruise control. Yan. So included yan here. So in the cruise control, mostly isiset mo lang yung speed mo sa desired speed mo. Then meron din naman na cruise control na sumusunod sa vehicle in front of you. So yan, dalawa yan. And actually yung feature na yan na cruise control is nagva-vary siya per variant. So merong cruise control alone, then meron din cruise control na nagfa-follow sa vehicle in front of you. So isang feature naman in Toyota Safety Sense, actually merong ibang vehicle na alone na meron lang siyang blind spot monitoring pero hindi kompleto yung Toyota Safety Sense niya. But this one, the Zenix, meron siyang blind spot monitoring. It's included here at both side mirrors na meron niyang ilaw na umiilaw-ilaw yan kapag merong vehicle sa blind spot mo. Now, very ideal yan, napakaganda, especially kung merong motorcycle on your blind spot. So ito yan, blind spot monitoring. Here, this one. So sa rear cross traffic alert and parking sensor, so yan, kapag may Toyota Safety Sense, ayan, included yan most of the time. So sa rear cross traffic alert, para lang siyang backing sensor here at the back of the vehicle. So minsan medyo annoying na siya, syempre napakaraming motorcycle here in the Philippines. So choice to naman siya if you want to turn off the alarm. So yan, tinatawag yung rear cross traffic alert. Then also the parking sensors. So the parking sensor is actually ganun din siya. Instead na nandito lang yung backing sensors mo, meron din siyang sensors in front. So parang wrap around yung parking sensor mo. So para in case meron ka ring mababangga at the side or in the front while parking, is nag-a-alarm siya. Yeah. So in Toyota Safety Sense, mostly yan Zenix Q Hybrid natin, meron yung Toyota Safety Sense. Then most of the time nandyan na rin yung 360 camera. So yung 360 camera, para pa rin sa mga hindi aware or hindi pa familiar sa 360 camera, ang 360 camera is actually may kita mo yung top view and all the sides of your vehicle. So actually yan, napakaganda for monitoring ng sides ng vehicle mo. So yeah guys, that's it. That's the Toyota Safety Sense. Most of the time nasa top of the line models yan. Alright, bye.